Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Asibak and today I'm going to dive into a fundamental topic in Python programming, the differences between shallow copy and deep copy. This is crucial for anyone working with complex data structures. So let's get started. First, let's talk about copying in general. In Python programming, copying refers to creating a new object with the same value as an existing object. However, in Python, this can be a bit tricky. Now, let's talk about shallow copy. A shallow copy creates a new object but doesn't create copies of the objects contained within the original object. Instead, it inserts references to them. Let me show you how to do this with the copy module. You first import the copy module and create a list of numbers. Then we apply a shallow copy using the copy function from the copy module. Next, let's modify the elements inside the shallow copied list. In the shallow copied list, I just modified the elements at index this one. And let's see by printing out both the original and the shallow copied list. The items in the original list was 1, 2, 3, and there is a nested element in that list, 3, 4. But I just copied using the shallow copy and modified the elements in the shallow copy, but this affects the original lists as well. So in this example, we have a list containing integer numbers and another list. When we create a shallow copy, the outer list is copied, but the nested list is referenced to the original list. Changing an element inside the copied or nested list in the shallow copy also affects the original list. So as you can see, both the original list and the shallow copy reflects the change in the nested list. This is because they both reference the same nested list. So this is called a shallow copy. Now let's look at deep copy. A deep copy creates a new object and recursively copies all objects found in the original object. This means that changes in the copied object won't affect the original object. Let's see this in action. You first import the copy module and then create original list containing integer numbers and deep copy the original list using deep copy function from the copy module. And now let's modify the elements in the deep copied list and let's see how this does affect or not. In this example, we create a deep copy of the list. When we change an element inside the deep copied list, the original list remains unchanged. So it doesn't affect the original list. But when you apply a shallow copy, it does affect the original list by changing, it just changes the elements in the original list when you change or modify the elements in the copied list in the shallow copy. But this doesn't work in deep copy. As you can see, the original list is intact and only the deep copy list reflects the change. This because the deep copy creates completely independent copies of all objects.